Hi everyone, my name is Ken. If you think I can, then you can. I'm your IME TV host. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube as more amazing videos are coming to you. Today, we are going to take a look at some really exciting topics, the next technology shift through IME and Dassault System 3D Experience works that can truly transform your business. IME carries one of the most innovative and cutting-edge CAD solutions, Solidworks, since its first release in 1995. We've gone through the thick and thin together with Solidworks and Dassault Systems, focused on providing and delivering the industry-best solution in product lifecycle management. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a web-enabled ecosystem of apps that empower your organization to collaborate, manage, design, and more from anywhere at any time or any device. You have more choices now to work on your design on premises or on cloud. You will also see how a desktop Solidworks user, you can start to take advantage of 3DEXPERIENCE platform in your everyday workflows. There are innovate new design tools that allow you to design from anywhere on virtually any device through the convenience of your web browser. As designs move from a concept or idea to a fully realized design, you may need to validate those designs with a powerful new simulation tools that can leverage additional cloud resources. With cloud-enabled project management, you will also be able to store and manage your files without the need of any IT infrastructures. You can also manage your design process with tasks, keep everyone on target. Earlier, you saw the initial product layout is designed on the web apps to continue the product development. At this point, more detailed design work will be done, but how do you bring these new design elements back to the desktop SolidWorks session? The answer, 3DEXPERIENCE integrates with SolidWorks. We can simply get a local copy of the updated versions from the platform, and now you can add more features and components as required to finish off the design. When the design is complete, you can release it, leveraging the comprehensive workflow capabilities so you can easily track what is complete and what needs to work more. Alongside of the ability of 3DEXPERIENCE platform, you have the complete Solidworks ecosystem of tools to complete your other tasks. And all of your design stakeholders leverage Solidworks Plastic to optimize the plastic injection molding process. You can also complete your mold design using Solidworks mold design tools. You can also program the machinings of the parts with Solidworks CAM. The entire time, your team is connected. Improve how you collaborate and innovate with the Solidworks ecosystem and the power of 3DEXPERIENCE platform. It allows you to connecting with your design communities. You will see how you can collaborate and innovate on the design projects, share ideas, and always be in the know. You will be having your peace of mind in deployment and maintenance because it is a cloud platform, easy deployment with zero maintenance. Moving forward, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a business experience platform available on premises and in public or private cloud, and whose purpose is to enable you to have a delightful experience and create wonderful experience to your ultimate customers and consumers. It is a new generation of platform that enable all disciplines in a company and its ecosystems, from marketing to sales to projects to your engineers, and more to participate in the process. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform goes beyond digital continuity, your future of connectivity.